Good morning, Sreyleak. Did you sleep well? Morning, Mother. Just waking up. This porridge looks perfect.
Help yourself, dear.
Thank you, it's wonderful. Just like I remember.
Ah, that's better. Finally inside.
Isn't this just beautiful?
Yeah.
It's so peaceful. Remember these days? Like something from a storybook. Good morning, everyone.
Morning!
Hi, Character B, Character A.
Building a nice snowman, kids?
Look at ours. Good day, Agnes. How's the stew? Smells delicious, doesn't it? Try some. Oh, thank you. Looks wonderful. Thank you. These look wonderful. You're welcome, dear. Enjoy your evening. The tea is perfect, Father.
Thank you, my dear. I'm glad you're enjoying it. It warms the soul.
Almost there, just a little further. Look, it's snowing harder now.
Careful with that cane, Mother.
We'll be home soon.
Ah, that's better. Sure is cozy in here.
I'm ready to help now. Perfect, we have so much to do. Looks like it's gonna be a good meal. The broth is smelling wonderful, dear. Just finished the mushrooms? Needs a bit more salt, I think.
I always mess this part up. Don't worry, just pinch it like this. Like this? Yes, perfect. Looks wonderful. Look at him go.
He's so curious.
Oh, what a playful little friend. And that's how the little squirrel found his way home through the first winter snow.
Wow. So cozy here.
And that's how the little fox outsmarted the bear. Oh, Grandmother, that's wonderful. He always was a clever one. Look at her smile, she loves it. Look out! Gotcha!
Not me.
We need more snow.
Yes, more.
Welcome back, dear. Let me get that snow. Brr, it's freezing out there. So glad to be home. We're glad to have you. This broth is perfect tonight, and the mushrooms are so tender. Be careful, it's hot. It feels so good to be home. This looks perfect. Thanks, I think it's clean enough now. Time for tea. Oh, you are a hungry little one. Looks like he enjoys those scraps. Home is where the heart is, home with you. Lovely, dear.